What if I told you that one simple classroom conversation could change your English forever?
Really? Just one conversation?
Yes, and today you are going to speak without fear. Let's get started. Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Good morning. I feel a little nervous but excited
That's perfectly fine. Why are you nervous?
because I want to speak correctly.
Don't worry about perfect English. Just speak.
Okay, I will try my best.
That's the spirit. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
Why are you learning English?
I want to speak confidently.
Excellent goal. Confidence comes from practice.
I understand. I need more practice.
Exactly. Do you practice daily?
Not every day, but I try.
Try to practice at least 10 minutes daily.
I will start from today.
That's what successful students do.
I want to become successful.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and get ready.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes, but not regularly.
Exercise improves your focus.
I will try to exercise daily.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Healthy choice.
Thank you.
How do you come to school?
I come by bus.
Do you enjoy school?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
What subject do you like most?
I like English the most.
That makes me very happy.
I'm glad to hear that.
What is your biggest dream?
I want to become a successful professional.
Why is that important to you?
I want to support my family.
That's a beautiful reason.
Thank you, teacher.
What skills do you need for success?
Communication skills.
Very good answer.
I'm trying to improve.
Do you read English books?
Yes, but slowly.
Reading daily will improve your vocabulary.
I will read 5 pages daily.
Excellent plan.
Thank you for guiding me.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, especially learning channels.
That helps your listening skill.
Yes, I feel improvement.
Are you afraid of making mistakes?
Yes, sometimes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
That makes me feel better.
Every fluent speaker made mistakes.
Really? That's inspiring.
Yes, practice removes fear.
I will practice more.
Speak loudly and clearly.
I will speak confidently.
Confidence changes everything.
I believe that now.
Do you talk to yourself in English?
No, I don't.
Start doing that daily.
I will start today.
Think in English, not in your native language.
That is difficult, but I'll try.
Step by step, you will succeed.
Thank you for motivating me.
What did you learn today?
I learned to speak without fear.
Wonderful.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows with action.
I will take action daily.
Promise me you will practice every day.
I promise.
That's how champions are made.
I want to be a champion.
And you will be.
Thank you for believing in me.
Never stop learning.
I won't.
Never stop trying.
I won't give up.
Never doubt yourself.
I believe in myself now.
I'm proud of you. Keep growing.
Thank you, teacher. I will make you proud.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from courage.
And today, I chose courage.
Practice daily. Speak boldly. See you in the next lesson.
See you in the next lesson.